What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Build It Break Garage episode. I'm starting this one off probably a few weeks early because I'm going to be redoing the exhaust that I just did in the last video, but I had to order in some parts, so I'm waiting on those to show up. But my first part showed up already, and it is my brand new all stainless tip. It goes from 2.5 here to 3.5 inch dual tips, and of course that is going to go in place of those. But I also have some 3.5 inch tubing, stainless tubing, just like this, that I'm gonna actually have someone add on a couple more inches to each tip so it's longer. So that way when it sticks out like this, you can't really tell that it's a Y. This one you can't really tell either, but that stainless one's gonna look a hell of a lot better. But anyway, I just walked outside. It is a absolutely gorgeous day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this roof off and go cruise to McNabb so I can pick up some round bar, because I'm going to need that for the hangers. I have everything else coming in the mail, so that's the only thing I need. Yeah, I'm going to go for a topless cruise, probably the last one of the year. I'm going to show you how to take the roof off really quick. Yeah, we'll head off. Alright, so first things to do when I go to take the roof off. First off, the hood pins along the front. I have 4. That leaves me with all the hardware. So then I go in here, and I've got this little beer koozie that I put all of the parts into, and that way I put it into here so that way they don't rattle around while they're in the car, which is a big problem, especially with the way the exhaust is running right now. So I'm gonna throw these in here really quick, and then you can watch me take off the roof. But first, a cold startup. Alright, so now that that's off, now I have to go ahead and put all the windows down, which would be a lot easier if I had all power windows, but I don't. Alright, and just like that, the roof is off, she's topless. Let's go to the big ads. Alright, what's up, guys? So the next day here, I went to the store, got what I needed, and came home. Then I started doing some spring cleaning around the yard, so I didn't end up doing anything with the car, so I ended up just parking it. Roof's still off. It's cold now today, so we're gonna put the roof back on, but I am starting a fire in my backyard because I got a bunch of shit to burn from yesterday, and I am also planning on washing Midori and getting her ready for a car show tonight. That I haven't been to a car show in months, so I'm going to Canton tonight to try to see if I can have some fun at a car show. So we'll see. Fingers crossed, but I'll bring you guys along with me on that one. First things first, I'm gonna get this fire started, and then I'm gonna roll the car out and start getting the windows up and everything so I can wash it. Alright, I got the car all sprayed down. I'm not going to go too far into it with the paint. It looks pretty clean, and it's supposed to have a percentage of a chance to rain tonight, so I know if I clean it all good right now that it's probably for sure going to rain at that point, so I'm going to just leave it. It's all the main dust and dirt's off of it, but the wheels, however, this is the problem with owning white wheels. Look at all that dirt inside there, and that's after spraying it down. So yeah, next thing up, I'm going to go ahead and wipe down these wheels and get them all nice and clean, because those I do care about if they look good or not. Okay, just a quick wipe down, and now the wheels are all nice and clean. Don't mind all this leaves in here, but inside of the barrel's all nice and clean. But yeah, so now I am just burning some stuff and waiting to go to the show tonight, so I'll pick up with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, well, it is 6 o'clock, and I'm gonna go fill up at the gas station and head off. So I will see you guys at the show, hopefully. Alright, well, I made it to the meet. So far my friend's not here, so I don't know anybody here, which is kind of awkward. Yeah, so I'm gonna go out and see if I can go talk to some of these people. And I'm gonna leave my phone on the charger because I need it for the way back. So you just stay in here. I'll check back in with you guys when I'm getting ready to leave. Alright guys, so the meet showed up pretty good. There's quite a few different cars, as you can see. But I've been here for about an hour and a half, so I think what I'm gonna do is take off, go home. So I got another hour drive on the way back, so I'll be home about 9:30ish. So it's about my bedtime, so I need to go. Alright guys, so that was the show. It was pretty good. The car was a hit, as it normally is. But anyway, I made it home nice and safe, as you can tell. See all the colored lights. But hi guys, well, it's been a couple days, and my extra tubing came in for my tip. As you can see, it's currently wrapped in plastic, but it is perfectly nice and shiny. The only thing that sucks is that they must have dropped it in shipping or something, because the ends of it, especially this side, are definitely not round. It's pretty bent. But I'm gonna cut the ends off and cut my tip size, and then we're gonna head to my buddy's house to extend the tips. He's gonna have a TIG welder, so it'll look a lot nicer than what I could do with my flux core. So yeah, so I'm gonna get to cutting this pipe and show you guys how to do that. Alright, well, attempt 1 to cut this pipe has gone not successful. So I got about halfway through. I've got a 6-inch blade, and it's a 3.5-inch tip, and now the blade is bent. So of course it's not going to cut a straight line, which is exactly what I'm trying to go for. So now I'm running to the parts store, or to the hardware store, so I can pick up some longer metal blades, because that's my last one that I had. So yeah, I'll be back in a little bit. Hi guys, well, I just got back from Menards. I got some 8-inch long blades. So I got some 8-inch long blades, so that should fit through the pipe really nicely. Also, I just put these 2x4s, built this, so that way this won't fall apart. So yeah, let's get to cutting. Hi guys, well, I got done cutting everything. My jig worked out good at holding the pipe. I ended up just using my cutoff wheel because the Sawzall was just not cutting through the stainless, so I cut it as straight as I possibly could. They're not exactly perfect, but they're about as good as I can get them. So now I just got to get a hold of my buddy and get together with him so we can TIG weld these things up and get them on the car. I do appreciate you watching this video. Be sure to give it a like, comment, and share. And make sure you subscribe. Most of our people that watch aren't subscribed, and it really helps if you're subscribed if we want to keep building this channel. So thank you very much if you do, and you guys have a great day, and peace.